I'm Emma. This is the Revive mattress from Breezely's Uno collection. As a guide, this mattress offers a medium tension. Offering great value without compromising on comfort, the Revive mattress is made from a combination of pressure-relieving memory foam and supportive high-density foam, and at 16 centimetres deep could also be the perfect choice for a child or teenager wanting that extra touch of luxury. The mattress features our unique ergonomic profiling, and this manufacturing technique has been developed to shape the memory foam to give extra comfort and support to the important shoulders and hip area. The memory foam gives an initial softer feel as it contours to your natural curves. As your body relaxes into the top comfort layer, the foundation layer of high-density foam works in harmony with the memory foam to cradle and support your whole body from top to toe. The ergonomic profiling on the Revive mattress provides up to 30 millimeters of memory foam comfort where it's needed most. Memory foam is also recognised for its pressure-relieving benefits, helping to reduce tossing and turning at night so you can experience a deeper, more restful sleep. The profile design also means that you do not have to turn or rotate this mattress. The soft-to-the-touch cover has the added benefit of being removable and washable and features two technologies for your optimum sleep comfort: adaptive technology to keep you cool and dry, and Fresche Bioscience, a new generation antimicrobial finish offering long-lasting antibacterial, antifungal, mold and odour protection. This also inhibits the development of house dust mites, so may be helpful to allergy sufferers. We offer a fantastic 10-year guarantee on the mattress core, so you can buy with confidence and peace of mind, as we're also a National Bed Federation approved member. This mattress comes conveniently vacuum packed for quick delivery and is particularly useful if, for example, you need to manoeuvre the mattress up flights of stairs or around tight spaces. Also, a king-size mattress fits comfortably into a standard size car. The mattress will recover fully in a couple of hours, ready and waiting for you to have a great night's sleep.